Hey beautiful people! What's up? Welcome to my channel. This is me, Shubhangi. Today I'm gonna give you the review of this huge and beautiful London Girl iGoodCo Sound of Music eyeshadow palette. So, without wasting any further time, let's get started! The name of the eyeshadow palette is London Girl iGoodCo Sound of Music eyeshadow palette, and it has 72 colors. As you can see, it's really beautiful and huge. I purchased this eyeshadow palette from Flipkart and it costed me rupees 5.99, but I recently checked the price and it has risen up to 6.99. So the packaging is also really beautiful. As the name suggests, Sound of Music. You can see guitars and musical notes and all. It has a beautiful musical theme. This is the outer packaging. This is the palette. It's a simple cardboard cover, and in the back side you can see the ingredients mentioned. So the ingredients are talc powder, mica, boron nitride, silica and etc. It isn't a talc-free product. It's very affordable and it's really hard to find a product that has really good ingredients in such an affordable price. The shelf life is of 5 years. Let's see inside. Oh my god, this is really beautiful. It's the shockproof plastic. You can see those colors. They are so pretty. And you can see it has a really beautiful guitar shaped mirror. Just like any other professional eyeshadow palette, it has all the names of the shades present, and that's really beautiful. Let me show you a close-up, guys. Can you see all those beautiful shimmers and pressed glitters? They are looking so tempting, so fascinating. Well, the colors are really beautiful, but the names of all the colors are not matching with the theme, the musical theme. You can see toasted, then pastry, then 101 degrees, then beach mood, love bug, royal. There are two shades right there, both are named as placer. There is no black shade present in this palette. The last shade present is a dark blue shade actually. So it's a very big con because black shade is a really important shade. Now I'm gonna show you swatches of some of the colors, but I can't show you the swatch of each and every color because it's a really huge palette. It's gonna take me ages if I start showing you the swatch of each and every color. And I don't even have that long hand. From the first row, I'm taking Bonheur. Next, from this row, I'm taking Summer Vibes. From the third row, I'm taking Heatwave. From this row, I'm taking Tan Up. From this row, I'm taking Tantalize. From the sixth row, I'm taking Naked. From this row, I'm taking Nude. And from the last row, I'm taking Gemini. Here's all the shades on my hand. So the pigmentation is not that bad but not that good either because it's a very affordable palette and it's very hard to find such a palette that has really amazing pigmentation in such an affordable price. So it's okay. If you're a beginner, you can definitely go for this and you can also create many looks with it. Today I'm thinking about creating a really colorful look and let's see what I can do. Now I'm gonna fill in my brows and for that I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild eyebrow pomade and this is in the shade Brunette. Next, from this TYA Generation 2 Contour Cream series, I'm taking this first shade of the third column to define my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna use this Lakme Absolute White Intense Liquid Concealer in the shade 03 Golden Medium to prime my eyes. Next, I'm using this Lakme Radiance Compact in the shade Natural Marble to set my eye base. Next, I'm taking Glow On in an angular blending brush and focusing right into my crease as a transition shade. In the same brush, I'm taking Tan Up to intensify the color. Next, in a soft flat brush, I'm taking some Summer Vibes to define and deepen the crease. Next, in a clean blending brush, I'm taking some Pleasure and focusing it right onto my outer corner. Next, in the same blending brush, I'm mixing Gemini with Summer Vibes to deepen my outer corner. Taking Pleasure again, I'm softening the line between Pleasure and the dark outer corner. Taking some concealer in a flat brush, I'm cutting the crease. Blending the edges with my finger to make it look smooth. Next, I'm mixing Pleasure with Folly to create a smooth transition between the colors and the cut crease. Now I'm taking this beautiful blue pressed glitter called Bronze Out, and I don't know why they gave it this kind of name, but yeah, it's Bronze Out. And I'm placing it on my lid. Using Sexy Witch, I'm highlighting my inner corner. I did my eyeliner off camera. The pigments don't have that much fallout. The only fallout is caused by the glitters. And now let's move on to face. For priming, I'm using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Mattifying Primer. Next, for foundation, I'm using Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation in the shade Natural Coral. From the same contour palette, taking the same shade that I used to define my eyebrows, I'm highlighting the high points of my face. Next, taking the same powder that I used to set my eye base, I'm setting my base. I've taken this Oriflame Jordani Gold Bronzing Pearls in the shade Dark Bronze. Rose Blush Glow Kit number 02. I'm taking the 5th shade to add some color to my cheeks. Now I'm taking this Glam 21 lip liner. Now I'm using this Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the shade Medusa, and this is the mini one, and yes, I've filled my whole lips with the lip liner. Now I'm using this Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the shade Icon to create ombre lips. I'm putting it right in the middle of both my lips and then blending it seamlessly with the previous shade to create the look. Now I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter number 02. Now I'm gonna use this Kiss Beauty Aloe Fresh Makeup Fix Spray to fix my makeup. Now let's move on to lower lash line. I'm taking Summer Vibes in the same soft flat brush and putting it on my lower lash line. I'm smoking it out with some nude. Softening the harsh lines with the shade Fingers and not my actual fingers. Now I'm using MAC White Eye Pencil in my waterline to make my eyes look bigger and brighter. Now I'm gonna use this Maybelline New York Hypercurl Waterproof Mascara. I applied some falsies to complete the look. This is the final look. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday, so hit the ding ding bell icon so that you never miss an update. Make sure to follow me and my sister on Instagram and do like my Facebook page. Links are in the description box. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and don't forget that you are beautiful. Bye bye.